happen. Can we have your last messages for Turkish public and Western world and the Muslim world, please?
Well, I think one thing in terms of enhancing international understanding of Islam is the recognition that Islam accepts the books of the Bible, accepts the prophets of the Old Testament, accepts Jesus as a prophet, and is a development beyond Christianity and Judaism, but is a close brother of the other two faiths. I think too often the world sees these religions as in conflict with each other, when in fact they're all preaching the same message and hopefully can live in unity in the future.
Yes, and this is real Islam, actually. And for example, Allah says in the Quran, I seek refuge in Allah from accursed Satan. The monasteries, churches, synagogues, and the mosques where Allah's name is mentioned much, Allah says, are the places to be protected. And Allah says, argue with the people of the book in the kindest way. So, and invite them to the oneness of God. So we believe in the same God, we love the same prophets. There is no reason for enmity and hatred, for conflict. This is very abnormal. Now it will return to normal. We hope for that. Thank you very much for joining the program. It was a pleasure and honor to have you.
Thank you. I'm happy to join you.
We invite you to Istanbul. We would like to see you as our guest here in our studios in Istanbul.
I would love to visit you.
Definitely. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mr. Smak. So we come to the end of our show today.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us, and it was an honor and pleased. We are very pleased to have you here in our studios. So it was a very great interview with you today. On behalf of here in Istanbul, we would like to say good night.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.